Now we're going to learn how to turn the basic Open the Door template into a transition. Import the Open the Door template into CapCut. Click play and pause when the door is fully open like this. Then rewind a little, just before the door is fully open, like this. After that, tap the door animation and select Add Camera. Then move the timeline forward to when the door is fully open again. Select Add Camera once more. On this camera, zoom in until the entire screen turns green like this. Then, trim the video close to the second camera point, making sure the end of the video is fully green like this. Review the video and export it. Next, import the door transition video you just made back into CapCut. First, click play until you reach the end of the video. At the end of the video, tap the door animation and select Freeze. Then, trim the green background to about halfway. After that, tap the door animation again and select Duplicate. Drag the duplicate clip to line up right after the green background like this. Then tap the right side door animation clip and select Reverse. Let's check the video. Once everything looks clean, make sure to add a freeze frame at the very end so buyers can easily edit it later and then export it. Now we already have two videos that we can upload to Adobe Stock, a basic template and a transition template. Next, we will learn how to create variations using PNG images for decoration.